Here's how you could change your smartphone from looking like this to this in just 3 easy steps. No root, no rocket science. Without further ado, let's get started. For this video, I'll be using the Redmi 7 running on 2GB of RAM, so this will work for almost any Android smartphone out there. Step number 1 is to install a better launcher. Now since this is a Xiaomi device, I will be using the Poco launcher. However, you can choose any launcher of your choice. Nova and Launcher are very popular options. Once Poco launcher is installed, press open. A pop-up will appear asking to set Poco launcher as your default launcher. Hit OK. Then press remember my choice and select Poco launcher. So the launcher part is done and you can already see an app drawer. Step number 2 is to install a custom icon pack. Now as I love stock Android, I'll be using the Pixel Pie icon pack as it provides a ton of icons in the stock Android theme. Once it is installed, open the app, tap on the menu and tap on Apply Pixel Icon Pack. From here, select the launcher you are using and tap on Open. This will bring you to the Poco launcher settings. Tap on Icon Pack and select Pixel Icon Pack and press Apply. The icons part is done and you can see stock Android icons. Now you can arrange these icons any way you prefer. Step number 3 is to select a nice wallpaper. However, before that, we have to do some small retouching. In this device, I would like to have smaller icons. For this, open Poco launcher settings and select the customize layout option. In here, you can change app icon size to your preference. However, this is a personal preference and you can skip this part. Now coming to the wallpaper part, again it is your personal choice. You can choose any wallpaper you like. I would recommend apps like Wally or Wallrocks for high quality and wide range of wallpapers. However, I will be using this one. I found this on Twitter and ended up instantly saving it. And there you have it, a complete revamped experience on your very own smartphone. Links to all the apps in this video are available in the description below. Give this video a like, and for more short tech videos like this, subscribe to Tech Cluster. However, if you like customizing your smartphone, check out the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk Limited Edition at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.